let's share some fun facts about the Colosseum. So the Colosseum is almost 2,000 years old, which is amazing. We can't build anything that lasts more than 30 years now. How is this thing still standing? But it's actually only 30% the original building and structure. It has been repurposed over the year. Travertine is the original stone, and then any red brick is reconstruction, but it's still such an impressive monument. As you can see, there's massive holes all over the Colosseum. This is due to looting back in the day, when the poor used to come and chip into the stone structure to take any steel and iron out and sell it on during the wars and plagues over the years. This used to open up to 162 days of the year, and basically during the day it'd be an entire day of events. Gladiators didn't always fight to the death because they were very, very expensive to actually own, but you used to have morning gladiator fights, an animal kill fight during the middle of the day, and then in the evening they used to have shows put on, which used to normally end in bloody massacre. They'd do a reenactment of a historical event, and then anyone that was on Executed Row used to get murdered at the end of the play, so quite a gory end. Everything was free, there was no cost to get in, there was no cost of drinks, there was no cost of food. It was all put on by the Roman government to keep the poor entertained. I think it's something they should definitely be bringing back. Yesterday, when we were experiencing the tunnels underneath the Forum, they're actually excavating here at the moment. This is an archaeological dig to bring back the original flooring. They have just rebuilt a lift in there, so it's not the original, but it's a reconstruction of one of the working logistics from 1500 years ago. So they tested it with an animal as well. Did you know that in Rome it's legal to own a 100% wolf? So apparently someone owns one. I mean, who would? I would if I lived here. And they used 100% wolf in the lift, put it in a cage, raised it up like they would back in the days before the gladiators used to fight the animals. All of the archaeological digs happen between 7 and 9 a.m, so it doesn't disrupt any visitors to the Colosseum. As you can see, they're literally digging up the entirety of the outside so that they can unearth all of the original flooring and repurpose it